Hello, 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 you lovely scratchers. How are you doing? I hope you are all feeling wonderful. I have something very exciting for you. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about functions with a trick or treat song. Let's go trick or treating. Let's dive right in. Let's listen to a song and see why it's so easy to remember this song and how we can help our computer to learn it as easy as us. This is Ellie and this is your place to learn to code and have fun.
Like trick or trick, who are you? I'm a ghost, I'm a little ghost. Like trick or trick, who are you? I'm a ghost, I'm a little ghost. Like trick or trick, who are you? I'm a monster, I'm a little monster. Like trick or trick, who are you? I'm a monster, I'm a little monster. Like trick or trick, who are you? I'm a witch, I'm a little witch. Like trick or trick, who are you? I'm a witch, I'm a little witch. Like trick or trick, who are you? I'm a cowboy, I'm a little cowboy. Like trick or trick, who are you? I'm a cowboy, I'm a little cowboy. Like trick or trick, who are you? I'm a ballerina, a little ballerina. Like trick or trick, who are you? I'm a ballerina, a little ballerina. Like trick or trick, who are you? I'm a pirate, I'm a little pirate. Like trick or trick, who are you? I'm a pirate, I'm a little pirate.
The reason learning this song was so easy was because a lot of the parts were just repeating themselves. So look at this. And this, see the highlighted parts. So the first one, I'm a ghost, I'm a cowboy. This only the word ghost, cowboy, the witch, the monster, the ballerina, the pirate are the parts that are being changed, but the rest of the song repeats itself in all different parts of the song. So how can I write it in the computer language much simpler than repeating it? There is something called functions, or in Scratch it's block, that helps us write the things that have a repetitive patterns, and we, instead of repeating ourselves, we write it once and then we can reuse it. Now let's go here. I rewrote this song and then I took off the costumes like the ghost, the pirate, the ballerina, and instead I named it a Halloween costume. Now with this only one paragraph and changing this to a parameter named Halloween costume, I'm creating this song, but instead of repeating it multiple times, I'm only changing this part to a parameter. Let's see one example of writing such a thing in Scratch. Now let's see how we can use functions or blocks in Scratch. First of all, let's import a few costumes. In our song, we had ballerina, we had ghost, for the purpose of demo, I only show two, but of course you can add as much as you want after you see how easy it's gonna be with using blocks. Now let's go to blocks. Here on the left, I click on my blocks, and now I'm gonna create a new block that can generate that song. I'm gonna name it. It's always a good idea to name our functions or blocks as if it's a verb, like we are saying do something. Now I'm gonna say sing, treat, or treat song. And I also wanted to have an input. Remember we had something being changed in our song, which was that costume. Once was I'm a little ghost, and then I'm a little pirate, I'm a little ballerina. So here my input is gonna be kids costume. Now I say okay. Now this function can be defined under this block. I'm going to define a very simple function. So just that I'm showing the idea of using functions. Let's say the function is supposed to write the lyrics of that song. I'm going to grab a couple of says like this. Knock, knock, knock. Trick or treat. So this is the part that is fixed. Who are you? And then here we have I'm a little. Now this part is something that is gonna be changed. So this is the important part. The part that is a parameter and is being changed, all I have to do is, let me zoom it. All I have to do is to drag this part here. So what happens is whenever here I'm defining a function, whenever I'm calling the function, I can pass a value to this parameter. Sounds complex, but don't worry. In a minute, you will see how easy it is. Now let's say if I click here, when it gets to the kids costume, I'm a little, it says 0 because it doesn't yet know what it is. So now I need to call the function and pass the parameter. To call the function is very easy. I'm gonna say, have an event to trigger it. When this sprite clicked, now I say sing, trick or treat song. Now for the ballerina with the kids costume of ballerina. Now let's see what happened. I'm gonna click here, knock, 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 trick or treat, I'm a little ballerina. Now, very easily, I can use this for the ghost or for as many many costumes, or like the sprite kids costume or sprite here in Scratch that we have, and we can create a very interesting animation only because of using function very easily. Now I copy this here, and I copied this here as well. And then when I go to the ghost, let me copy this again to make sure I got it. Okay, now that I'm on the ghost, all I need to do is, the function is already defined. I'm calling the function, and now I'm passing the parameter ghost. So here, if I click, This time, knock, 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 I'm a little ghost. That's it. With this, our life is gonna be much, much easier. You see, all the blocks that you have are the functions that are already created by Scratch, but here you can create your own customized functions and make your life much easier.
Happy Halloween.
If you like the video, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you won't miss the next exciting tutorial. See you next time soon. Bye.